Hi everybody, in this video, let's look at some questions for this 9.4 applications of property of combined event. Let's look at this first example. There are two boxes A and B. Each of the boxes contain 4 cards labeled with number from 1 to 4. A card is drawn at random from each of the boxes. Find the probability that the sum of the two numbers drawn is an even number and greater than 5 or an even number or greater than 5. Now, you will notice that for part A, using n. When you see n, we will use this symbol, intersection. For part B, using O. When you see O, we will be using this symbol, union. Okay. Let event A is an event of getting the two numbers which their sum is equal to an even number. The sum of two numbers okay, so how about event B? Okay, let event B getting the two numbers which their sum is greater than 5. The sum of two numbers drawn is greater than 5. Okay, so I have two boxes here. Each of them contains 4 cards. I'm going to draw 4 vertical lines for box A and 4 horizontal lines for box B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for box A. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for box B. Okay, let me focus on event A first. The sum of the two numbers drawn is an even number. 1 paired with 1, yes. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is an even number. Let me use this symbol to represent event A. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is not an even number. 3 is an odd number, so we don't want this combination. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, yes. 1 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, which is an odd number. We don't want this. We want even number. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 4. Okay, this 3 need to pair with 1. 3, 3. Okay, 4 paired with 2 and 4 paired with 4. You will notice that the sum of all this combination, for example, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 4, and so on, all will be equal to an even number. Write down all the combination first. 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 3, 4, 2, and the last one will be 4, 4. Okay, this is for event B. Event A. Now, let's go to event B. This time, let me use another color, so easier for you to differentiate them. I will be using this symbol, a cross. Okay, getting two numbers which their sum is greater than 5. Greater than 5. Equal to 5, we don't want it. We want greater than 5. So all this combination cannot. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. We want greater than 5. So all these combinations are not accepted. So 2 plus 4, yes, is equal to 6, which is greater than 5. So 3 plus 3 equal to 6, okay. 3 plus 4 equal to 7, okay. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 4. All this combination, their sum is greater than 5, right? Let me write down all the combination first. So we have 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 4, 3, and the last one will be 4, 4. Okay, now let's look at part A. An even number n greater than 5. So even number, even A, right? Greater than 5, even B. So when you see this symbol, this word n, we will be using intersection symbol. So we are actually finding this A intersection B. So you look at the combination which have a cross, which has a cross and a dot. It will be this one, that's one, that's one, and this 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Box A contains 4 cards, box B contains 4 cards. For 4 times 4, you will get 16. So the number of elements for the sample space is 16. 4, 4, 16. So if you simplify it, you will get 1 over 4. This is our answer for part A. Now, let's go to part B. An even number or greater than 5, or we will be using this symbol union. Property of A union B. So you will notice that there are some combinations which satisfy the condition of A and satisfy the condition of B at the same time, right? So this combined event is actually non-mutually exclusive. Means that if you draw this, if you represent this situation by using a Venn diagram, it will be like this. So this is A, this is B. This one we call it non-mutually exclusive event. So you can use this symbol, use this formula. Property of event A plus probability of event B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, now let me show you how do I use this formula first. Probability of event A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8 over 16. Probability of event B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 over 16. How do I get 16? Because this is the number of elements for the sample space. 4, 4, you get 16. You have 16 intersection point here. Minus, this is equal to this, 1 over 4. So you can just press your calculator. 8 over 16 plus 6 over 16 minus 1 over 4. Okay, so this will be equal to 5 over 8. This is our answer. So if you don't want to use this formula, you can just calculate like this. A or B, right? A union B. You can just calculate like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer will be 10 over 16, which is equal to divided by 2, 5 over 8. You will still be getting the same answer. So you can do it this way or this way. Okay, now let's try one more example. The table shows the number of marbles in bag P and Q. A marble is drawn at random from bag P and its color is recorded. The marbles is put, this should be IS. It's put into bag Q. What does this mean? It means that after picking one marbles from bag P, the marbles that you have picked will be put inside the bag Q. Okay? Then a marble is drawn at random from bag Q and its color is recorded. So according to this table, bag P contains 4 red marbles, 5 yellow marbles and 3 blue marbles. Back Q contains 2 red marbles, 6 yellow marbles, and Y blue marbles. Now let's look at part A. The probability of obtaining 2 marbles is 1 over 8. Calculate the value of Y. Let me draw a Venn diagram to let you understand the situation better. So I have 2 bag P contain red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow. Oh, sorry, this is yellow. And blue. Okay, so we have another bag Q. Same thing. We have red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue. Here also same thing. Okay, so for part A, the probability of obtaining two blue marbles is 1 over 8. Means that 2 blue marbles will be this combination. Okay, so how do we get the probability of blue and blue? For bag P, total we have how many marbles here? So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So total we have 12 over here. Okay, this will be 3 over 12. How about this one? So total we have how many marbles here? 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, but here we don't know y. We need to find the value of y. So it will be 8 plus y. Right? But this you need to be more careful. 3 over 12 times. Okay, here you have to be more careful. Because the marble picked from bag P is going to put inside the bag Q. Therefore, the total number of marbles in bag Q will be 8 plus y plus 1. Okay, now how about this? Blue marbles. Bag Q contains y blue marbles. But since the first marbles you pick from bag P is also blue, right, in this situation, so after you picking the blue marbles, you put into the bag Q. Therefore, the number of blue marbles for bag Q will be y plus 1. Okay, so this will be the probability of getting 2 blue marbles. So it's equal to 1 over 8. What we are going to do is to solve this equation, get the value of y. So this is actually equal to 1 over 4 divided by 3 divided by 3. Y plus 1, this is equal to 9 plus y. Okay, this is multiply, right? Bring it to another side, it will become divide. 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 4. Divided by 1 over 4 is actually equal to times 4 over 1, right? Okay. You just simplify it, divided by 4, divided by 4. It will be equal to 1 over 2. So here I'm going to use cross multiplications. Two times y plus 1 is equal to 1 times 9 plus y. So this one you don't want to write it, it's okay. Do some expansion over here. 2y plus 2, 9 plus y. So I'm going to solve this linear equation, group the y together. Y I bring over here, it becomes 2y minus y. Copy the 9, 2 I move it over here, minus 2. 2y minus 1y is equal to y. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, now we know that y is equal to 7. This is the answer for part A. Okay, now let's go to part B. So since I got the value of y is equal to 7, so here will be 8 plus 7 will be equal to 15. Now let's go to part B. Calculate the probability of obtaining a red marbles and be careful of N and O. Okay, a red marbles and a yellow marbles. So it will be red and yellow. Red and yellow, this combination. Yellow and red also can be accepted. Okay, these are the two combinations that we are looking for. For B1, okay, now let's look at this one first. Red, yellow. Red, how many red marbles do we have in bag P? 4, right? So it will be 4. Oh, let me use back the purple color. It will be 4 over 12 time. How many marbles, how many yellow marbles do we have in bag Q? Bag Q. Yellow marbles, it will be 6. And this you need to be more careful. Not 15, but 15 plus 1. Don't forget, the marbles that you pick from bag B is going to put inside the bag Q before you pick the marbles from bag Q. So therefore here I need to plus 1. So here, why do I do not write plus 1 over here? Because in this situation, the first marbles is red, right? You put the red marbles inside the bag Q, it will not affect the number of marbles of yellow color. Okay, therefore here I do not plus 1 here. Plus the second combination, which is yellow and red. Yellow, how many yellow do we have here? 5 time, here be careful, 15 plus 1. Red marbles, we have 2. Okay, so just press the calculator for this one. 4 over 12 times 6 over 16. So this will be 1 over 8. How about this one? 5 over 12 times 2 over 16. 5 plus 96. Oh, sorry, not 5 plus 96. 5 over 96. So add it up, add these two fractions together. Is equal to 17 over 96. This is the answer for B1. Now, let's go to B2. A red marbles or a blue marbles. Be careful here. Here using the word or. So actually a lot of combination here can be accepted. Red or blue. So this is red, 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 yellow, red, blue. All this can be accepted, right? Yellow, red, yes. As long as you see red or blue, we accept it. Yellow, yellow, red, yes. Yellow, yellow, we don't want to accept this because yellow, yellow does not contain blue or red. We want red or blue. So yellow, blue, yes. Blue, red, blue, yellow, blue, blue. So you will notice that a lot of combination here actually can be accepted, right? But there's one combination we cannot accept it, which is this one. So in this situation, I will be using another method in order to get all of this probability and add them up together. I'll be using 1 minus the probability of getting yellow, yellow. It will be easier. So for B2, one minus this one, because this is the only combination that we don't want. All others combination can be accepted. So yellow, yellow. Back P, we have 12 marbles. How many yellow marbles do we have? 5. Okay. Back Qs, we have 15 marbles. Be careful because the marbles that you pick from back Q, back P is put inside the back Q. before one marbles from bag queue is picked. Therefore, the number of marbles in bag queue will be 15 plus 1. Okay, now focus on this one. So you will notice that in this situation, the first marbles that you pick from bag P is yellow, right? So you put this yellow marble inside the bag queue. Therefore, the number of yellow marbles in bag queue will add 1. It will be 6 plus 1 in this situation. Okay, now just press your calculator. 1 minus. So this is 35 over 192. 1 minus 35 over 192 is equal to 157 over 192. Okay, this is the answer for B2. That's all for this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.